Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we changed out the hydro turf on the FX here. This company HzKaicun sent me over their turf and it was pretty easy to put in once you had the old stuff removed. Here's all the old factory Yamaha turf here. The hardest part is getting the old stuff up because it's all glued down. But I'll give you a couple videos of me taking all that stuff off and tell you exactly the easiest way I found to take it apart. But if you go to their website, I'll link it down in the description. They'll put any kind of logo you want on the back here, and they put my logo here, they put their logo there. So I tried a bunch of techniques to remove the old turf off the ski, but the thing I found that works the best is if you just get a heat gun. This is a cheap heat gun from Harbor Freight. You get 3M adhesive remover and you get a plastic razor blade. Buy a bunch of these because these wear out pretty quick. All you're gonna do is heat up a section that you want to take off. So you heat the sides up like that there. Grab a corner and you start peeling off the old. And then once you have a decent amount of it cleaned off or peeled up, you can spray this adhesive remover down on it and it'll loosen up that glue, and you can just scrape off all the old residual glue. And you'll need a lot of either microfiber towels or some like heavy duty shop like paper towels. So that trick's gonna work for pretty much every jet ski, but every ski is gonna be a little bit different. Here on the FX, you need to remove these side trim pieces. They come off, it's just an Allen bolt. And then you just take these side pieces off, you take this back piece off here, and then there's another side piece. All that comes off. And then that allows you to get down up under this turf where all this other stuff is. And then you're gonna have to cut a hole if you want to put the little visibility spout back. You'll have to cut a little hole, it's not hard, and then push the visibility spout back in. So the hardest part is getting all the old factory stuff off the ski. So this took me a while to get all this stuff off, but you just got to be patient and work through it. Once you have it all off the ski, you can go ahead and take some alcohol and clean where it was. Make sure you have all the residual glue off, and then take your alcohol and just wipe down. Make sure you have a clean surface to put the new stuff down. The easiest way to place the new turf on there is if you take a soapy bottle of water. So you put a little bit of soap in here and some water, and you just spray down the back of the adhesive that you're putting on, and you place it in place, and then just let it sit for a little while. If you can do it in the sun, do it in the sun, let it sit. It'll grab a hold. You don't need a whole lot of this stuff. Just put a little bit on there, and then make sure you try and squeeze out as much of that water as you can, and let it sit for a day or two, and it'll dry right up. So huge shout out to HzKaicun for sending that stuff out. This is a tedious task. It's going to take a little while, so plan a day or two to do this. It's going to take a while to get all that old adhesive off, but it's so worth it. It looks so much better than the factory stuff does. So I'm gonna leave their affiliate link down at the bottom, so you can click on that, go to their website, look at all the different designs they have. They have endless amount of designs, and even if there's something on there that you don't see that you like, email them. They can probably draw something up for you, put your logo on the back, do whatever you want. So I'm gonna leave that link down in the bottom. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.